How to add someone on Telegram with QR code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Telegram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. You will be led to the home page or the chats page of Telegram. So go ahead and tap on the settings button on the bottom right of your screen. And now at the top of your screen, you will see the QR option. Tap on that and you will be able to view your QR code along with the username. You can also tap on the various designs available here for your QR codes. Now tap on the share QR code button you see there in order to share QR code with the people you want to add, and once sent, they can simply scan the QR code and add you. And if you want to add someone, then you can ask them for their QR code and you can scan the code and add them further with the help of their QR code. So this is how you can add someone on Telegram with QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.